give you all a brief history of the procedure, really the procedural history that's occurred up to this point. As you all know, in January of 2017, we filed a lawsuit on your behalf, as well as all the members of the class, which would include, parts of Walker, Denham Springs, and even East Baton Rouge Parish. Almost immediately thereafter, the case was removed to federal court, the Middle District in East Baton Rouge Parish. We've been through a number of judges. The initial judge was Judge Johnson in the 19th. It then went to Judge deGravelles. Our firm is deGravelles and Palmintier. Therefore, he had to recuse himself. Then it went to Brian Jackson. He had to recuse himself for other reasons. Then went to Judge Brady. God rest his soul. He actually chose senior status prerogative to not take the case. Went to Judge Dick, who had a conflict as well. That was all of the judges at the Middle District, okay? So it had to be kind of shipped out to the Eastern District, where we had Judge Englehart. We had filed a motion to remand the case back to state court that had been filed. And finally, after going through all these judges, that was heard, and the case was remanded back to state court. That was then appealed, and we won on appeal as well. So back in state court, and that whole process took some time, as I'm sure you all can understand. We then were back in Judge Johnson's court. Judge Johnson decided after I guess 2 or 3 months of us being in his court again, that he wanted to go back to the criminal bench, so we lost him. Then we finally ended up with Judge Chip Moore, who is presiding over the case as we speak. There have been a number of motions that have been filed by defendants. Those motions have not been set yet. The judge has stated